up, we have an amazing singer, Arshan Sharavana Bhavanandam, who has been learning music for the past 3 years, inspired by Rameshji. Arshan is currently learning music from the renowned singers Chitra and Unnikrishnan. He even recently sang with Mano and Chitra at a concert. He will be singing Gananayakaya by Shankar Mahadevan.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि। गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरिप्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
सर्वराजाय गन्धाय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने
गाढानुरागाय ग्रन्थाय गीताय ग्रन्थार्थतत्त्वविदे
गुणवते गणपतये
ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकादीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दयाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौर गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवनाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you.
Thank you, Arshan. Wow, that was fantastic as always. Thank you. Our next performer is Revati Shankar Vainika. Revati Auntie's musical journey began when her son gifted her a veena with his first salary. She has been learning veena from Vasantaji and Murali Krishnan sir for the past 6 years. She is starting off with Vakratunda Mahakaya Shloka.
for this giving opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Now, the next performer is Swati Arasanga.
मोदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकं मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कवाश्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जनं न तातिकापदुद्धरं न तेतरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कवाश्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जनं न तातिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्य दैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्रमक्षरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्य दैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्भचर्वनम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्भचर्वनं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृन्तनं नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृन्तनं हृदान्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं हृदान्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्.
That was excellent. Thank you, Swasti. Next up, we have Srimati Gayatri Murthy. Auntie has been learning music as a little kid. She has participated in many events throughout her life and has taught over 500 people the popular Vishnu Sahasranama and the Lalita Sahasranama in India. She has attended the annual Akhanda Vishnu Sahasranama chanting held at the Tirupati temple for over 25 years. This summer, she has taught Vishnu and Lalita Sahasranama to Sayesh, her grandson, during his summer break. At 70, she is still very passionate about music and learns from her guru, Subbarao Das. Take it on, Auntie.
शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषक वाहना शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका विटिल नेत्रने देवी सुतने नागभूषित प्रियने विटिल नेत्रने देवी सुतने नागभूषित प्रियने तटिलटाङ्कित कोमलाङ्गने तटिलटाङ्कित कोमलाङ्गन कर्णकुण्डल धारणे शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषक वाहना शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका पट्टमुत्तिन पदकहारने बाहुहस्त चतुष्टने पट्टमुत्तिन पदकहारने बाहुहस्त चतुष्टने कीट तोडुगय हेम कंकण कीट तोडुगय हेम कंकण पाश अंकुश धारणे शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका कुक्षिमहलंबोदरने चापवगलिदने कुक्षिमहलंबोदरने चापवगलिदने पक्षिवाहन श्री पुरंदर पक्षिवाहन श्री पुरंदर विठ्ठलन निज दासने शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषक वाहना शरणु सिद्धि विनायका शरणु विद्या प्रदायका. Thank you.
Oh, that was beautiful, Auntie.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up, we have Deepti Nandaraju. She's a dear friend of mine, and I'm very happy to announce she is an exceptional singer, though she's very humble and she refuses to accept it. Very versatile and a very talented artist. Deepti will be singing the classical bhajan, Maitrim Bhajata.
Thank you, Rupa. I want to talk a few lines about this bhajan. This is a beautiful composition on world peace and harmony. This was written by Sri Kanchi Paramacharya ji and was first performed by Srimati M.S. Subbalakshmi ji at the UN United Nations organizations in 1966. It serves as a reminder to cultivate friendship, compassion, and humility, and to renounce wars and unnecessary competition for power. It ends with a blessing, a wish, saying, "May all people in this world be happy and prosperous." Maitrim bhajata akhila hijetri Maitrim bhajata akhila hijetri Maitrim bhajata akhila hijetri Atmavadeva paranapi pashata Atmavadeva paranapi pashata Yuddham tyajata Spardham tyajata युद्धं त्यजता स्पर्धां त्यजता त्यजत परेषु अक्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्रीं जननी पृथिवी कामदुघास्ते जननी पृथिवी कामदुघास्ते जनको देवः सकल दयालुः जनको देवः सकल दयालुः दाम्यत दत्ता दयध्वं जनता दाम्यत दत्ता दयध्वं जनता श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां.
Sorry. Thank you so much, Deepti. That was beautiful. Thank you for sharing the meaning as well. Very apt song. Okay, up next we have Manasa Rao and Sudhindra Rao, a father and daughter duo. They'll be singing Ekadantaya Mahakandaya by Shankar Mahadevan. Manasa is a music enthusiastic, aspiring pianist and also plays the flute.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसराराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि। Thank you.
That was beautiful. Thank you.
Up next, we have Megha Arun, Swarit Srivastava, and Jasmine Shivakumaran, who will be sharing their perspective on Sri Ganesha and talking about leadership.
Everyone, my name is Megha Arun, and today I will be joined by Jasmine Sivakumaran, Swarit Srivastava, and we are part of E-Like Leadership, run by Mrs. Chaya Shivakumaran, and we are honored to be here. We will be talking about Sri Ganesha and his leadership. So what does Ganesha mean? Ga means knowledge, Na means salvation, and Esha refers to God. Ganesha has 108 names. Here are a few of them and their meanings. Ganapati, which means the Lord of Lords, Siddhi Vinayaka, which means bestower of success, Vigneshwara, which means remover of all obstacles, Vinayaka, which means the Supreme Lord, and Mangalamurti, which means the all-auspicious Lord. Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. The meaning of this mantra is bowing down to Ganapati with all of our existence and accepting all of his great qualities in our self-being. The benefit of this is it wards off all of the negativities from one's life before beginning any work. Chanting this mantra ensures success in all the new ventures that one wishes to undertake. Sri Ganesha is an excellent leader. Here are some of his leadership qualities. Effective and efficient, he is a leader to all. He is inspiring and clears all obstacles. He is keen to teach and to learn. He is excellent. The blessing hand posture of Sri Ganesha. Sri Ganesha's third hand faces towards the devotee in a pose of blessing, which symbolizes protection. My take on this is that a leader should also show the same trust towards their followers, giving them confidence that they are safe and sound and would have immense opportunities to grow and succeed in their life. Now let's hear what Swarit has to say.
Thank you. Om Ekatantai Vidamahe Vakratandai Dhimahi Tano Danti Prachodayat. The meaning to this is that we pray to the one with the single-tusked elephant tooth, who is omnipresent. We meditate upon and pray for the greater intellect of the Lord with a curved elephant-shaped trunk. We bow before the one with the single-tusked elephant tooth to illuminate our minds with wisdom. The benefit to this mantra is that it encourages modesty, righteousness, and high-end wisdom in those who chant it. Now, the appearance of Ganesha is that he has an elephant head. He is referred to as the Gajana, and the Sri Ganesha symbolizes strength and power. It refers to both the body and the mind. My perspective on this is that leaders must exert power to achieve individual, term, and organizational goals. Leaders must be able to influence their followers to achieve greater performance, their superiors and peers to make important decisions. The trunk of Sri Ganesha is a fusion of the nose and upper lip. The trunk of an elephant is the most versatile tool, used for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and producing sound. My perspective on this is that a leader should use all of his senses to solve problems within an organization and be proactive and solve all the problems. The symbolism to these is that Sri Ganesha's big elephant head means broad thinking and wisdom. His small eyes means focused vision. He is referred to as Gajakarna. His big ears means a good listener. Remember, active listening is an essential leadership trait. His trunk means that he is careful and alert. His big belly means to absorb everything and adjust. He's referred to as Lamborda. Broken tusk, and that is the sacrifice to write the great epic Mahabharata. Now, let's hear what Jasmine has to say.
Thank you, Swarit. I present the mantra, Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Gurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. The meaning of this mantra is, O God with the curved trunk, the large body whose aura is like a light of many suns, please make my entire work obstacle-free forever. Chanting this Ganesha mantra will help remove every obstacle between one and one's well-being and helps to achieve wealth, wisdom, good luck, prosperity, and success in all endeavors. In elaboration to the mantra, one might wonder, what does the axe in Sri Ganesha's hand mean? The axe, also known as Skulhedi, in Ganesha's hand symbolizes detachment from worldly pleasures. Ganesha also uses his axe to strike and repel obstacles. This meaning that leaders should always be free of emotions in decision-making and should not give in to anyone's pressure. Leaders should always utilize their intuition and expertise in handling situations. What we sow, we reap. Modak. Modak, being Ganesha's favorite sweet, resembles the sweetness of one's hard work. In conclusion, my perspective of leadership is success is a combination of thoughts, words, and actions. Leaders have to give their best to be successful, and the fruit of success always grows on the tree of hard work. What was the mouse as his vehicle? Lord Ganesha, with a huge body, has a small mouse for his vehicle. It shows that Lord Ganesha has no ego. Ganesha's modesty does not permit him to consider the mouse as insignificant, but he has reviewed the advantages that the mouse can offer him. He teaches us to leave aside burden of our big egos and to ride on a path in life. And with those words, I conclude this presentation.
That was very beautiful, guys. Thank you so much. That was very well done and very informative too. Next, I'd like to call upon a very special performer who is extremely passionate about music. His dedication towards all forms of art and encouragement serves as an inspiration to all budding music and art enthusiasts, especially to our kids. It gives me great pleasure to welcome our host and creator of this festival, Ramesh Talligaru.
Hi, everyone. Sorry about Little Cups. This is our first live event. And I just want to say a few things about bhajans and mantras. During these COVID times, I felt it gave me one of the best relief in my heart. And I was able to control all the emotions, all the news going around us. So it didn't affect me because I was all constantly chanting mantras or bhajans. Actually, I'll teach you one small bhajan. Gam Ganapataye Namo Namaha. How we incorporate some Western instrumentations like drums. So Gam Ganapataye Namo Namaha. Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namaha. Ashtavidayaka Namo Namaha. Ganapati Bappa Moreya. Ganganapataye Namo Namaha. Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namaha. Ashtavidayaka Namo Namaha. Ganapati Bappa Moreya. So everybody on mute, you can sing this. You know, it's so nice. One person can be leading it. Everybody can be muted and they can sing along with that. Unless you watch, a lot of events or you attended a lot of music events, many times you can't sing along, right? On the other hand, bhajans are best and all the music instruments goes along with it. Anything goes too. Any shruti is also fine. It doesn't matter. You have to be on the shruti or in the rhythm either. So all of us come together and get our energies out and speaking. That is the most important thing we all have to do. And that was one of the reasons we even started this Sargam group too. Please continue and hope you'll enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramesh Garu.